Hey guys, this is Mr. Stubbs and I teach 7th grade math over at Ridgeview STEM Junior High. And I just want to give you a look inside of our virtual online classroom. So I teach regular Math 7 and Advanced Math 7, and both of those our platform is Google Classroom. So this is a look at our Math 7 classroom. So you can see the week agenda and what is due. And if we click on this, so we have a running document for the students for my class. You can see assignments are due, the focus standard for the week, the concept, which is area of composite figures, and then their objectives, helpful videos, and these videos are things that I created myself specifically towards what we are working on. And then down here is their assignments for the week. So they don't really ever have to leave this page because pretty much anything like Ed Puzzles, they can click right here directly hyperlinked. The only thing they might have to go off of is the Khan Academy, which you can see there's some assignments from their Khan Academy for this week. And then over here is our Team A checklist, which has all 4 of their core classes and the bullet points of what they're expected this week, our emails, and then a mood check-in where students can fill out a form and kind of just tell us how they're doing, and we respond and interact with the students that way just to make sure everybody's doing okay. Students also on this week, and I showed you, they can link directly from the Google document once they make a copy for themselves to our Ed Puzzle, and you can see I still have a couple answers to grade, area of composite figures. And I also think this is neat as well. We have a running Google document, which all students have editing rights to. Now there are some constraints and there are expectations which are listed above. But this is cool because, like, for example, students can ask a question in this format, and then I can either answer by giving them maybe a link of helpful resources, or maybe they just have trouble getting started, maybe with a formula, or just a general direction of where to go to start the problem. So, and I don't always have to be the one to answer this. Students can jump in and answer as well using the proper format. So you can also see I got my email, my Infinite Campus ready, entering grades and different things like that, and answering emails. So this is all interactive, and most of my classes, this is not a huge jump for them because we have been doing a lot of these things daily anyway. I do know that the social and emotional thing is a big piece, and just different families having different unique situations, so we are definitely aware of that. But just wanted to give you a look inside of our online classroom, and just remember, no matter how tough these times get, we are Pickerington, and we will bond together and get through this.